Hello Dnation and welcome back to yet another unbox and review episode. Today we are going to be unboxing the BMW R1200 GS, which is the 2017 model, and this is a 118 scale licensed off-road diecast replica motorcycle manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get started. Well, in today's episode, I want to save you the trouble of running through the entire process of unboxing these beautiful diecast motorcycles. And so for a change, I went ahead and pulled up one of a recently popular diecast model. So let's go ahead and take a look at this awesomely detailed replica motorcycle. And now, as we know what this replica looks like, and with this out of the way, let's go ahead and look a bit further into this amazing 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica. And to begin with, this model is a licensed diecast motorcycle replica of the BMW R1200 GS 2017 model, which is an off-road motorcycle. And this is a premium and well-detailed replica and has a good build quality and quite a bit of intricate details to it. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking like its life-size counterpart. This premium model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 1.8 inches in width, and weighs in at about 105 grams. This model also comes with spot-on paint tabs and branding details and has free rolling wheels, excellent suspension, a kickstand, and a lot more details that makes it premium collectible. And with this licensed model, you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. So with that being said, now let's place this off-road beauty on the D-Nation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium diecast model. So with that being said, let's place this diecast motorcycle on the D-Nation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And as we take a look at this premium diecast model, here are a few fun facts. The BMW R1200 GS and the R1200 GS Adventure are motorcycles manufactured in Berlin, Germany by BMW Motorrad, part of the BMW Group. It is one of the BMW GS family of the dual sport motorcycles. Both motorcycles have a 1170cc 2-cylinder box engine with 4 valves per cylinder. The Adventure has a larger capacity fuel tank and longer travel suspension. And as of 2012, BMW's R1200 GS bikes are their top selling models. For the 2017 model year, the bike was given a facelift with technical changes to meet European EU4 regulations, side reflectors and an onboard diagnostic indicator light in the cockpit to indicate a malfunction wherever added. Like the R1200 GS Adventure, all liquid-cooled boxer models were given a damper and a transmission output shaft, which are a few to mention. And for further information on the BMW GS, kindly find the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 118 scale diecast motorcycle that was featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. Also, please do let me know in the comments below as to what's your favorite part about this particular premium diecast motorcycle. And so, with that being said, now let's go ahead and take a look at a few product shots of this beauty in all its glory. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our exciting and upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop a comment below. And stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.